Hi, boys and girls. We're back again, and we are going to do another letter sounds lesson. So today we are going to do the sound I. When you put I, G, H together, it just says I, just like I. Isn't that crazy? So I'm going to put it right up here. And boys and girls, you are going to need your spelling journals once again. But before we go into spelling journal time, we're going to go over all of those sounds that we have already done. So let's start with our digraphs. Here we go. CH says ch. Good. WH says w. TH says two sounds. Th, like thumb, and th. Good job. SH says sh. QU says qua. CK says k. Good job. All right, let's do our bossy R's. Here we go. ER says IR says OR says or. UR says AR says R. Good job. All right. And then the one we learned yesterday, OU says ow. OW says ow. PH says f. Good job. Okay, and then we have our vowel teams. Here we go. OE says O. Remember, that first one talks. EE says E. AI says A. AY says A. OA says O. EA says E. Good job. Then we have an ending sound. Remember our ending sound? It's ING. ING says ing. Good job. Okay, so today we are going to work with IGH. Remember, it says I. So I want you to find a page that is blank in your spelling journal, anywhere that you like, and then put IGH at the top of the page and underline it. And if you need to pause Mrs. Romer while you do that, then you can do so, okay? All right, so we're going to start spelling. Let me give you your first word. We're going to try to spell the word sigh. Sigh. So watch. We're going to do S, I. S. What's that one? That's an S, right? And then I. I just told you that IGH says I. So you're going to write S and then IGH for I. And it will spell the word sigh. All right, here we go. Next word. Let's try high. High, like you're high up in a tree. Okay? Huh. I. High. So you're going to put huh. That's an H. And then I is IGH. Put it together and you have the word high. Okay, next one. We're going to try this one. It's sight. Sight. Okay, so here we go. S. What's that? That's an S. I. What's that? IGH. T. That's a T. Good job. Sight. Here we go. S. I. T. S. I. T. Go see if you can spell sight for me. Okay, here's our next one. Our next one is might. Might. Here we go. I. T. I. T. All right, so that's an M. I, that's I-G-H, remember? Okay, T, that's a T. Good job. Okay, next one. Light. Okay, here we go. L, I, T. L, I, T. Light. Okay, here's your next one. This one has a blend on the beginning, and it says fr, fr. So what does fr, what two letters have fr in them? You're right, it's an F and an R. Fr, fr, fr. Okay, so here we go. Fr, I, T. Fr, I, T. Fright. You guys are good at this. All right, here we go. Bright. Bright. That's got a blend on the beginning as well. Listen to it. Bruh. Bruh. What is that? B, ruh, b, ruh, bruh. That's a B and an R. So here we go. Let's spell bright. Bruh. I, T. Bruh. I, T. Bright. Okay, next one. Flight. Flight. That's also got a blend on the very beginning. F, l, f, l, fl. So here we go. F, l, I, T. Fl, I, T. Flight. Okay, and here's your next one is slight. Sl, sl. That's, what is sl? That is S and L. Sl, sl, sl. All right, so let's spell slight. Sl, I, T. Sl, I, T. Slight. Okay, now I've got some challenge ones for you. You ready? You ready for a challenge? So we've already spelled the word high, right? You can look back in your journal where you have written and you can find the word high. But what if we wanted to spell the word highway? That's a compound word, isn't it? It's two words put together. So we have high, way. Highway. So if I want to spell highway, I'm going to use the word high, and then I'm going to add way onto the end of it. How do I spell way? Oh, let's see here. Let me, Mrs. Romer, find our, there we go. Okay, Mrs. Romer has our card. All right, so let's spell way. Wah. Wah. That's a W, right? And then A, we're going to use one of our schoolhouse sounds. It's a vowel team, and it's A-Y, says A, so that we can spell way. And then we can put those two words together and spell highway. Now you've spelled a really big word that like all the big kids know how to spell, and you just did it in kindergarten. Yeah, I know. All right, so now let's spell one more, okay? We've got one more challenge word. This word is flashlight. Now, you've already spelled the word light, right? Now we just have to add flash onto the beginning of it. So let's try to spell flash. It's got that blend at the very beginning, right? Fl. What is that? Fl, fl, fl. It's FL. Ah is the next one. And then shh. You know what shh is, right? Shh is SH. Okay, so let's spell flash. Fl. Ah. Shh. Flash. Now add the word light onto the end of it. Ooh. I. T. Light. And now you have the word flashlight. You've done an awesome job today, boys and girls. We will see you next time.